everyone, it's Brianna from Brie Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be planning in my classic vertical happy planner for the week of July 22nd through the 28th. And I'm finally going to be using these Planning Press stickers that I got, I don't know, a month or two ago. And I just absolutely love them. So again, with Planning Press, her sticker sheets are a bit larger than what I have the capacity to store. So I just cut them like that. So we're going to be using those. There's little peaches in them and I think it's just really cute. And then I brought out my Coral Alcohol ink to see if adding a little bit of that would work. And then I also have the sheet AW blush from Planning Press to also incorporate in. So this is the color scheme. Then I've got Neutral Basics by Kelva Plan. This is just a bunch of boxes and functional things that I might pull in for boxes for here. But I also have this DIY sticker book that I made of just a bunch of boxes. And there's this really pretty blue that's just, there's a hint of it in there. And I think it would be really nice to try to pull some of that blue out using some box stickers. So we're gonna add some touches of that in, I think. But yeah, I might pull in a quote or something eventually, but right now I don't have anything picked out, so we'll just kind of see what happens. So let's get started. I have been looking forward to using these for a while. It's about time that I finally do. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out, I don't want to bring in too much of this Coral Alcohol ink because it is quite strong. I'm trying to figure out, I want to use this one. I could pop this up behind there and then layer a quote, which that could be quite cute. So maybe we'll try that and then see if I should add anything else. I'm filming this later than I normally do. It should hopefully be up on time, but I've just been a little behind with posting since I've been sick, so I'm trying to do a little bit of catch up. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. So I'm only filming this, geez Louise, a day in advance, but that's okay. And then let's pull out the whiteout because I don't like this little note in there. I wish they just didn't put anything on the sidebar, but okay, so that's nice. I think it would also be cute to add in maybe just something like that. And then maybe a big quote because I don't have a ton of these floral stickers and they're a little smaller. So I want to see. I want to see what I can find in my quotes, which that one is a little much. I don't think I want to bring gold in. I think I just want it to be black. Otherwise, yeah, I think that might blend in a little too much. So let's see. Got a ton of fun ones. I just am a little picky with what I want. But actually, if we do bring in gold, this Live Simply could look really nice. I suppose it's not really what I was looking for, but we could see if there's another gold quote that would work. Okay, I might do this one. She loved and life loved her right back. I think that's cute. Okay. So, I just want to put that right there. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. Okay. Now I've lost my other, here it is. My other stickers. I think this one would be nice on the top. So I'm thinking that's where I'm gonna put that Live Simply quote. And if I combine some things up here, I think that'll look nice. But I need to see if there's anything here that I can add in. Like, I like this little splotch, and maybe this one. I think that's cute. Let's see. I can put that right there, and maybe then this one can go up there a little higher. Yeah, that works. That's cute. Okay, now we'll bring in the Live Simply, which is honestly something I've been trying to do. I've been trying to implement some routines and things in my life to allow me to not be so stressed out by being an adult. So yeah, I love that. Okay. Some more florals, and I'm thinking this one would just look nice right there. And then I think I'll add in that later. Have to use this one right there. We can put a box up there. And then we have a couple more. And I think this one I want to cut and use some of it on the sidebar. Like so. And then, not sure where this part will go yet, but I could put it on a box or something, so I'm just gonna stick it on my desk up there. And then I don't know where this one's gonna go yet, but we have to use it. So now I want to find the blue stickers that I want to use. I think it was from the what is this? Supermom sticker book, that there are some blues that would work well. So like, this is the blue that I want. I think it's pretty close, so I want to grab these out. I like finding colored boxes that work with my spreads in here, because then it just allows me to use up random boxes that otherwise, if they were in other random sticker books, I just wouldn't use them. So okay, and then I see that there's that one there, so I'm gonna pull that out, and this today. And I think that that's good for now. I'll try to get this back into the book the best we can. It's kind of falling apart, but that's okay. Okay, so we've got some of these things. Then I need to figure out what main boxes I want to use. This could be nice to bring out the darker tones from the peaches. That one I think will just be a little too much of the same as is that one. So I think I'm gonna go with this. So let's see. We can grab this one and put it right there, and layer that on top. Cute. And then we can grab, thinking a bigger one to go down there, and we'll put this one down here, I think. Try to line the lines up. Cute. And I also have this one that I think would just be cute to kind of put right there. Oh, I put it upside down. Hold on. Okay. Take 2. I apologize if my voice sounds weird. I have just had a rough go of it with the cold for the past like couple weeks. Yeah, it's not super fun. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut this in half. And I do realize I still haven't used the other half of that sticker, but I think this would look cute to put right under there. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, so then let's see. I definitely want to add in some more little splotches. And we've got some more of this, so I need to find spots for these 2 florals. Which maybe this one could go there and get covered up mostly by a box, and this one could go here, and we'll do the same. Okay. Those flowers went a lot further than I was expecting, actually, which is good. Okay, we're gonna do a full box down here. Sorry if you hear dishes rustling. My boyfriend, oh my god, my fiance. I keep calling him my boyfriend and he's not. My fiance is downstairs doing dishes while I film. Okay, that's really cute. I love this combo. My goodness. Okay. So we've used up almost all of our stickers. I would like to put a little today right there. Oh, y'all, I love this. Sorry if I keep pushing it up too high. I'm like trying not to, but I'm used to pushing it up higher, but I'm trying a new camera angle where I can have the pages closer to me. So yeah, apologies if things are a little out of whack right now. I'm gonna grab my tweezers and we need to put these adorable little dots around the place. So thinking that one would go well there because there's not going to be any writing in that spot. And then let's see. This one would look cute up there. And then we've got a few more on this page, which we could do that one right there. That spotty one right there. And we have 2 more. Okay. It would work to put some there, so we'll do that. And then let's see, is there another spot? Maybe just right there. Or I can bring it down there. But I kind of like the white space there, so I think we'll leave it, and I think we're done. I absolutely freaking love this spread. It's definitely one of my favorites that I've done in a while. I will link the Peaches and Floral sticker sheet that I used from Planning Press. I can also link the little doodles that I added, which again is just the AW blush sticker sheet. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.